Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is,
Which of the following is not one of the four parts of the makeup? A schedule of costs of goods manufactured, multiple choice, factory overhead, tracked materials, tracked labor, computation of costs of goods manufactured, computation of gross profit. And the answer to the question is the correct answer is computation of gross profit. A schedule of cost goods manufactured typically includes the following parts: first, tracked material use; second, tracked labor; third, factory overhead; fourth, computation of cost. The computation of gross profit, on the other hand, is related to the income statement and calculation the difference between sales revenue and the cost of goods sold. It is not part of the schedule of cost of goods manufactured itself.
thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.